One sunny morning, Sarah looked out of her window. The sky was bright blue and the birds were singing. Sarah smiled. She had an idea. Today was a perfect day for a picnic. Sarah called her friend Emma. "Hi, Emma," she said. "Do you want to go on a picnic with me?" Emma was excited. "Yes, I would love to," she replied. "Can I bring my brother Tom?" "Of course," said Sarah. "The more the merrier." Sarah packed a basket with sandwiches, fruit, and juice. She put in some cookies, too. Then she grabbed a big blanket. "This will be fun," she thought. Emma and Tom arrived at Sarah's house. They helped carry the basket and blanket. They walked to the nearby park. It was not far. The park was full of green trees and colorful flowers. At the park, they found a nice spot under a big tree. Sarah spread the blanket on the grass. "This is perfect," she said. Emma and Tom agreed. They sat on the blanket and unpacked the basket. "Look at these sandwiches," Tom said. "They look so good," Sarah laughed. "I hope you like them," she said. They all began to eat. The sandwiches were delicious. The friends talked and laughed as they enjoyed their food. After eating, they played some games. They tossed a ball and ran around. They enjoyed the warm sun and gentle breeze. Sarah felt happy. Spending time with friends was wonderful. Later, they lay on the blanket and looked at the sky. They watched the clouds and guessed their shapes. "That cloud looks like a dog," Emma said. "I see a ship," Tom added. The day passed quickly. Soon it was time to go home. They packed up their things. Sarah felt grateful for the lovely day. "Thank you for coming," she said to Emma and Tom. "Thank you, Sarah," Emma replied. "We had a great time." Tom nodded. "Yes, let's do this again soon." As Sarah walked home, she felt warm inside. She loved simple days with friends. The park was quiet now, but her heart was full. She knew she would sleep well tonight, dreaming of her next adventure with friends.